What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. You know what we're gonna be doing in this video?
No.
Boys, I'm joined today by my buddy Vasco, and we're gonna be swiping on one of the sexiest cities in the world, Warsaw, Poland.
Oh yeah.
What do you think about Polish chicks, man?
I like them. I think they're pretty cool. They're a little bit sassy, but you know, I like that.
They really like to get their way.
Yeah.
But I'm here to give it to them. You know? If you guys are new to the channel, I'm doing a Tinder Passport world tour where I swipe in the sexiest cities around the world. So if you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button and hit subscribe. All right, buddy, should we get into it or what?
All right, let's get right into it. Let's dive deep.
Okay, lean back a little bit though. Like, you can't make me look too small.
I'm like, make up your mind. Like.
Bro, the way I usually do it is I go through the top picks first.
That's Ewelina, but I'm pretty sure in Poland a W makes the V sound. So her name's Ewelina.
Oh, Evelina. Bro, that looks like
Evelina,
Canada,
yeah.
actually. Don't you think?
Kind of like,
looks
we got
like
the Bears
BC
going,
or Banff or
at that
something.
point. It might as well be Canada.
Is this the right swipe? Like,
I think so.
She's 30, but she'll get it.
Yeah.
Oh,
you know, we like them older.
Bro, start with a match, just like
There you
that.
go.
What should we say to Evelina, bro?
I'd say, let's get freaky.
Let's get freaky.
Let's get freaky
like
this
that.
Christmas.
We'll throw it at her, just like that. Ooh, Ella, that looks like a catfish, eh?
Yeah, but we might have to, you know?
Nah, we'll swipe right into it. Might have to at that point. All right, you know what? Without further ado, let's go over to the top picks and just see like the creme de la creme. What are we working with here in Poland? Whoa, right off the bat.
Poland's got some Rockies.
This girl's a doctor, by the way.
That's pretty good, man. I would say definitely a like.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, Justina. She got the little like pig emoji on her face. I don't know what's going on with that.
Yeah, what's going on there? I don't know about that.
Future doctor. Bro, is every girl in Poland a doctor?
Some doctors? That's pretty cool though, Poland. Your girls are really educated, it looks like.
We love that.
Yeah, we love that here.
You know what? There's not a lot to work with here, but the one pick's pretty good, eh?
I don't know. That one's your call, bro. If you want.
She's going for it. We're gonna swipe right. Ooh.
I would say so. A little older, but.
Olga?
The name. That's a funny name. Not, I think I guess that name is just not very like.
Bro, you're being politically correct. That's like an old lady name. What is that?
That's funny.
All right, Julia. Oh.
Oh, what?
Bro, she doesn't even like. She looks like she's from LA or something.
Yeah, dude, she's very. Dude, yeah, I would go. Yeah, 100%.
She looks like very Americanized. Whoa.
She looks like a TikToker.
To be honest, there's a lot going on here. What do you think, buddy? Is that a right swipe in your books?
Yeah, why not?
I'm on the fence, but we'll give her the benefit of the doubt, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, Marta. Ooh, only two picks.
But she's looking kind of sassy on that one.
She's got that look in her eyes,
yeah,
eh?
you know?
Yeah, we're gonna give her a right swipe.
The little angel emoji too in her bio.
We all know.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know about this one, bro. We don't have a lot to work with here.
I would even swipe right. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. But
well, yeah, we're obviously still gonna swipe right.
Yeah.
It's hard to swipe left in a top pick, you know? Like, that's a bold move. Asia, cool name. So yeah. You were feeling that one, eh?
Not really.
Okay, we got a Monica. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of Monicas.
Monica is probably like every Polish girl from Canada that I've met is probably named Monica, or like has someone in their family named Monica.
I think we know a common Monica from Mississauga. That's probably what you're thinking of.
I don't think so, but
might be a story for another day, eh?
I don't think we know. That would be pretty crazy if we did.
Dude, that dog. I'd swipe right just for that fucking fat dog.
Yeah, it's all about that dog at that point. That's my favorite type of dog.
What kind of dog is that?
Oh yeah, for that dog too, you know? Just for the dog.
Just for the rolls. All right, you know what? We're just gonna fucking power swipe here at these last few top picks. We're just gonna power through. Oh, there was another Olga in there too,
There's a bunch of baddies. Yeah, Poland's doing it right, you know?
Bunch of Olgas, bunch of Martas. Oh, dude, this girl's name's Beyonce. You think
might have to.
Is that her real name?
I have to write a diss track, so.
That's not her real name, is it?
I might.
Oh, damn.
Why would it imagine she lies about it? Is that even Polish? I don't even think that bio's in Poland.
Dude, she's speaking English.
Hold on.
Oh, I think that's your girl right
Brenda.
There. Brenda.
Is it Brenda?
Oh, this girl got the melons?
Got
the coca. Bro.
Angie.
I can make a whole video just trying to get you to pronounce these Polish names. Okay, we're
you kind of messed up there.
We oopsed that one. Cola.
Did we though? No, yeah.
Mm.
No, I would say you fucking
Yeah, we'll send it with the right swipe.
give it.
Might have to at that point. So what I will say, buddy, I left my location in Poland for like a few days before filming this video. Didn't really swipe on them.
Right.
And I got about like 400, 500 likes in Poland alone.
That's pretty cool.
So there's a lot of demand in Poland for your boy Cringe Daddy, apparently. I got a big following out in Poland, apparently, you know? The Cringe cult is strong. If you guys are from Poland, comment down below, represent. Ooh, we got Martina. What do you think about Martina, buddy?
No. Sorry.
She means well.
Yeah, she.
Ooh,
It's not, is it right?
Basra?
Bushra?
Cool hairdo. Oh, one pick? That's a big red
Yeah,
flag, eh?
actually, we don't know about that one. You know?
Yeah, whoa.
Oh, okay.
Natalia. Okay, this is what we came for. This is why we put our location this far away.
That's pretty good looking.
Yeah, this is what I expect, you know? When people are like, oh,
There you go,
boy,
match.
okay. I would fly to
Not right,
Poland.
you know?
I would fly to Poland just to drink her bathwater, to be honest.
Would you?
I'm gonna let her know that. I would fly to Poland just to drink your
Unmatched.
bathwater. Watch me get banned from Tinder.
Quick unmatched?
Oh. Her name is literally Oh. Sylvia?
We
Sylvia?
can't even see her face.
Yeah. What is she hiding?
There we go.
Okay.
Magda's your name?
Dude. We're gonna give her a right swipe.
Oh, what's going on? The next one is
Dude.
just fucking straight titties.
We'll get to that, eh? So what should we say to this girl? She's not really wearing a lot of clothes in her pics, I will say that.
Say, do me dirty like a little pig. Just fucking don't say that.
I'll say, wanna be my little piggy?
And let me do you dirty.
Oink,
I'm just fucking around.
oink. We'll throw a couple oinks in there too.
Oink oink.
I feel like
She'll probably take it the wrong way, you know?
the translation, I can't wait for her to like Google what that means.
We're just trolling about.
Oh,
What's
Joanna.
going on with there, you know?
There's a lot. Oh, bro, just
There's handcuffs.
straight up bondage, like leather and chains.
Is there a face or no?
No face.
No face, just straight body.
What do you think? Should we swipe right on the straight body or?
What if it? No, you can't think. Actually, I don't know. It depends on how desperate you are in Poland. Like, if you're a guy in Poland and you're super desperate, say fuck it.
I feel like
Take
that's
a
a little
chance,
rough, you know?
But if you're not that desperate, then don't.
What are we doing at that point? Oh, Henrietta, where's the party?
Where is it?
Oh, party's in my pants. That's where. Oh, hello. Oh, dude, what do you think about this one?
Yeah, I say why not.
Oh, she's got Tinder Gold, hiding the age.
That's not bad though.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you say?
Do you, fuck man, I can't spell. Do you want a Canadian boyfriend?
Does she though?
Oh, we'll find out. Oh,
She's like, no.
there's a lot going on here. Bro, okay. You know what? I think we should do at this point. We should go through my likes and just straight up see like, are there
That one,
baddies?
yeah.
You know what I mean? Are there
Yeah,
baddies that
I
like
think
me
we're
or are
gonna
there
have
like...
to at this point, cause like,
Oh,
there we go.
We got another match. She's got a huge forehead, eh? Still hot,
Say,
but like,
say what's up, big head. You know?
dude, she looks like a Russian billionaire.
Yeah, she's like a model actually. Actually, don't say that. Say like, I don't know. What would be a good pickup line? What do you think?
You got snap? Like, should I just go right for the snap?
No, just if you want to do it, just say what's up. But like,
What's up, girl?
yeah, just say what's up.
Just slide in, eh? The
Yeah.
Vasco special.
So I just say what's up.
So Vasco, let me ask you this, buddy.
Right.
On any given day, if you open up Snapchat, how many unopened snaps do you have from girls?
Probably like around 20.
Dude. Over the summer, I was at the bar with this guy, and he's like, yo, should I get some girls to pull up? Opens his Snapchat, and he could just swipe and scroll endlessly, and it was just all girls that he hadn't opened their snaps yet. That was insane, bro.
Yeah, like, you know, like everyone has those times in their life. Really.
Hot girl summer.
I'm just single, you know? That's the only reason.
Ready to mingle. All right, let's go to the likes. Oh, this girl liked me according to Tinder Gold. Dude, she's pretty hot.
Yeah, why not?
Yep, tatted up. I'd buy you a taco.
I have to get them
There we
from Sushi's, eh?
Might have to take her to Fusion Sushi right there. Big shout out. All right, so we got a lot of likes here. Let's see if there's any like.
We should do
you know?
like a lightning round, like power round.
Should we just fucking swipe?
Yeah, just a
mass
like,
swipe.
power round. Oh, that one. See?
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that one's kind of like.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah, it's
Oh, this girl, like, look at the blue eyes on her, eh? Holy.
Oh, those are nice.
Dude. All right, we're gonna give her a swipe. I think we should just go through and power swipe. Oh, whoa.
What are you doing?
What's going? Whoa.
Dude, is that real? Is that? You think? Nah, it's not verified.
That's like 100% catfish, eh?
But if it's real,
we're gonna send it anyway.
Chance,
we're gonna give it a go.
on the odd chance.
We're gonna have to at that point. Okay, we're gonna go and just fucking power through here. Yep. What are you thinking, Vasco?
I'm liking what I'm seeing.
You liking what you're saying?
Yeah, there's obviously not every single one, but there's a good selection over in Poland.
There's potential for sure.
You know?
Like, is this worth, you know, flying out to drink some bathwater or what?
I don't know about that, but you know, if you're from there, then it's gonna be a good time.
What do you have to say to all the Polish people watching this video, Vasco?
Oh, yeah, I like it. I have nothing against Poland. I like Poland. Yeah, I don't really know much about Poland, to be honest.
We got another Monica. This one, she's straddling a palm tree.
There's a bunch of Monica.
This one, she's pole dancing. Got the mirror selfie, bikini pic. Dude, what do you have to say about Monica? She's a baddie, bro. I don't even know what her bio says.
No, there's a translation.
That's a big red flag of how long that is, though, eh?
Yeah, but like it might be worth it at that point, you know.
We're gonna swipe right on Monica.
That flag, you might have to take that flag, you know.
Dude, that one, like, that was a bathwater.
It's a football game, you know. Sometimes you gotta take a few flags.
That's the kind of girl, like, when she comes over, you were gonna want to rip a quick body rinse before, eh?
Oh yeah, quick body rinse before she comes over. You wanna make sure you look good. Quick gym body too.
Yep, quick body pump at the gym.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, Vasco and I have been working out a lot lately, boys, so more to come on that. Not ready to take the tarp off for a video, but progress pics are gonna be up soon on my Instagram, so if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram, follow Vasco on Instagram.
I've been training this guy like there's no tomorrow.
Like there's no tomorrow,
Been working him, you know?
Been doing spin class and shit.
Been working him like, you know, he's a volunteer, like an intern at RBC.
Oddly specific.
Unpaid.
Ooh, we got Tessa. Yeah, baddie for sure. All right, buddy, we could fucking do this all night. Like I said, 500 girls in Poland liked me.
Yeah. I say Polish chicks are pretty good. You guys have a good selection. Not as diverse as Canada though, but it's still pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I was in Poland, I would not be complaining.
So the thing I will say about Canada, like, diversity is our strength, you know?
Yeah, we have like girls from all around, you know?
Facts.
That's how.
From around the world, baby.
Oh yeah, international.
I'd say Toronto on its own, probably one of the most international cities in the world. Can we say the same about Warsaw? Where
no, but there's a lot of hot blonde girls. So if you like hot blondes, then you're at the right place.
You'll fit right in. Yeah.
You'll love it. And if you're a hot blonde, then just message me on Instagram.
Well, there you have it, guys. We gave you a full tour of Warsaw, Poland, Tinder edition. Vasco, what do you think, buddy, about Poland?
I like the women in Poland. They're pretty good looking.
Honestly, bro, I got a thing in my heart for blondes, so this was a really fun one to film. I feel like the last few I've filmed have been mostly like in South America, getting a lot of Latinas in there. But it's been nice to venture, you know, outside of South America and check out Europe. So if you guys have a city or a country you want to see me swipe in the next video, make sure you drop it down in the comments below, and I might just swipe in your city in the next video.
It might have to be done at that point.
At that point, might have to. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.